In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the music language in Suno AI. Whether you're an aspiring songwriter, a music producer, or simply enjoy creating music, Suno AI provides you with tools to explore music creation across various languages. Let's start by logging into Suno AI. You'll need to head over to their website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to click on Create. This is your launching pad for crafting your latest masterpiece. On this page, you'll see various options available to tailor your music. However, for changing the language, make sure to click on Custom. Doing so will allow you to adjust more specific aspects of your music creation, including the language. Now, navigate over to the Lyrics section. Here's where the words to your song come to life. You have two ways to proceed. The first is by typing in your lyrics directly in the language you prefer. Perhaps you're feeling creative and already know what you want to say. Just enter those lyrics and you'll see them come alive in the chosen language. But if you're looking for a bit of automation, you can give the magic wand icon a click. When you do this, a range of creative tools within Suno AI become available to you. One of the great features here is Write Full Song. Selecting this opens a field for you to enter your creative prompt, detailing the theme and content of your song. Here, be sure to specify the language you want the song to be in. This step is crucial as it informs the AI of how to frame the lyrics. Once your prompt is ready, click on Write Lyrics. The AI will now generate the lyrics based on your input. You might need to wait a moment for Suno to work its magic. As the lyrics are generated, let Suno finish writing them. This is a fascinating part of the process where you see your ideas being crafted into a lyrical piece in the language you chose. After the lyrics are completed, don't forget to go through the rest of the setup. You can adjust any final details necessary to complete your song's configuration. Finally, once you're happy with everything, click on Create to bring your project to life. You'll have successfully changed the music language in Suno AI and created a brand new song in your chosen language. And there you have it. You've now mastered changing the music language in Suno AI. Thank you for joining me today, and happy music making.